two types of stretches that you should probably focus on. In the end of your workout, there's a stretch called the static stretch, which is basically holding the stretch. This is a shoulder stretch, but I'm holding that stretch. That's what we call static stretch. Dynamic stretching should be done in the beginning. And that basically is a movement where if I were wanting to warm my shoulders up, I might do my arm movements like this, and that would actually warm up my shoulders. So another one would be rotation of the arms. That will also stretch and warm up the muscles. What they found is over the years is that if you hold a stretch like this here, the static stretch, it actually would take away from your strength and power that you might have if you were playing a sport or going to do something exercise related. So in the beginning, focus on doing more of dynamic stretches. There's many different types of stretches that can be done for dynamic stretching in the beginning. And at the end, you hold that stretch, the static stretch. You may see people do the runner's stretch where they hold the calf stretch with their hands against the wall and they're stretching their calf muscle, or they're holding their leg for their quadricep stretch or their hamstrings. These are all very important and done in a static way at the end of the workout, remember. And beginning, do the dynamic stretching. Not to sound confusing, but both stretches are good.